Hi, my name is Laura Freeman. I'm a clinical psychologist for the Wellbeing Service, which is based in Swansea, but also covers Neathport, Talbot and Bridgend. I'm going to answer some questions today from someone that's thinking about attending one of our computerised cognitive behavioural therapy courses. Bit of a mouthful, so we call it CCBT for short.
Hi Laura, my name's Ruth, and I'm thinking about coming along to a CCBT course. Just wondered if you could tell me what it is and what I could expect if I came along.
Okay, basically CCBT is it's based on a type of therapy called cognitive behavioural therapy, and there's a lot of evidence to show that it can be helpful for a range of problems, from anxiety, stress, low mood, all kinds of things like that. And basically this is a cognitive behavioural therapy course that's run on a computer. So we use a website that's called Living Life to the Full. And this is a website that anyone can access themselves from home. It's completely free, anyone can access it on their own computer if they've got access to the internet.
So does that mean I have to be good at using a computer in order to come along?
Not at all. The people that attend have got a range of different computer skills, basically, from people that have hardly used a computer at all to people that know a lot about using computers. Basically, the course happens in a room in a sort of computer suite. Over four 1-hour sessions, and the idea is that you'll sit at a computer and work through the programme yourself, but there'll be some facilitators such as myself on hand to help if you get stuck at all, or if you have any problems with using the computer, or if you have any questions. So obviously, if you're really scared of computers and really just can't get your head around them at all, this might not be quite the right course for you. But if you're just not confident about it, and you're happy to give it a go, then we'll be there to help you with it.
Okay, thanks. I'm a little bit concerned just in case I see someone in the course who I know. Is that likely?
It does happen, we try and run these courses in local communities so that they're easy for people to access. So, it may well be the case that you bump into someone you know. But I think the important thing to remember is that they'll know you as well, and they'll probably be surprised to see you there. So you're both there for the same reason. So sometimes it can be quite nice for people to see someone they know, and you can kind of get chatting and support each other then. We do say to people when they come along to courses that everything that happens on the course is confidential, and not to talk about the people that they've seen there elsewhere. So your confidentiality will be guaranteed.
Okay. I was just wondering as well whether I needed to bring anything along to the course.
It can be helpful maybe just to bring a pen and some paper to write down any notes that you want to take, but generally everything's provided for you, so all the information is on the computer. There are some audio clips and things that you can listen to as part of the programme, but we provide headphones for listening to those, so that's okay.
I might have to bring my friend along, because I was thinking about kind of having some support from my friend.
Yeah, and obviously it can be helpful to know that there's someone there with you to give you a bit of support. I mean, generally, because these are programmes that happen on the computer, and we have a limited number of computers in the room, and normally other people are sort of working away at the computer during the session, we generally ask that you probably don't bring someone along with you. But you may want to bring someone perhaps along with you just as far as the door, to cut there with you, and then perhaps to come and meet you at the end of the course. If you really feel you need to, you could have somebody there who came with you, but they would have to understand obviously that you wouldn't be able to sort of talk amongst yourselves because it might be disruptive for the other people, so they would need to just sort of sit and listen and just be there as sort of physical support really.
Okay, no problem. I just kind of the last thing I was wondering about were the actual benefits. If I did come along, what would I hope to kind of gain from it all?
Okay, I mean basically it's one of those things you can kind of tailor the course to meet your own needs. There are 12 different modules that you can do as part of the course, and what we generally say is yes, you'll be able to complete some of them in the 4 1-hour sessions, but actually we ask that you do also work on them at home if possible in between, so a lot of them you'll be doing at home as well, and also once the course is finished. But you don't, you can pick whichever modules suit you best. So there are ones on all kinds of things, from low mood to anxiety to healthy eating and exercise and the impact that can have on your mood. There's a module on problem solving. There's quite a few different things that you can try. So you can sort of pick and choose the ones that suit you and almost make your own course out of it. And what people generally find is once they've been through the course, that they feel more confident when they go away at managing their own sort of mood and stress levels, and they've got some strategies and techniques that they can take away and practice. Sometimes people find that, you know, the 4 sessions isn't quite enough and they want a little bit more. That's absolutely fine. If you want to come to a course of 4 sessions and then come along to the next course and attend another 4, that's absolutely fine, because for some people just having that appointment each week where you can go and you can use the programme helps with motivation and things like that, rather than just trying to do it all at home.
Okay, oh, that's great. Thank you, Laura.